Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 28 in Alternative Energy Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 315. Modern oil-fired power plants produce less pollution than they did decades ago, primarily because the newer plants take advantage of, well, the correct answer is emission control apparatus. That's choice B. Fracking? Most definitely not. Fracking has nothing to do with the pollution caused by a power plant itself, but in fact the process of fracking it's quite controversial because it does have a tendency to cause environmental disruption, possibly including contamination of the groundwater. It's kind of a give and take. You get something, you get more oil easier, but you get more problems. Degassed oil? Well, oil generally doesn't need degassing, so that's irrelevant. Lower combustion temperatures? No, that really has nothing to do with the pollution produced. All of the above? Well then, certainly not. So, let's take a look at an actual oil-fired power plant schematic diagram or block diagram. This is a combustion turbine type of oil-fired power plant. The oil supply goes into the oil pump. The oil supply might be a tank, it might be a pipeline, generally speaking one or the other of those. It goes into an oil pump, a combustion turbine, the combustion chamber, the exhaust. Now the emission control apparatus would be incorporated in the turbine itself, which is this thing right here. So it would be similar to the emission control apparatus that you find in an automotive engine, except bigger, of course. The turbine, in this case a combustion turbine, turns the electric generator, which generates the electricity, which goes to the transformer, which goes to the transmission lines, which goes across the countryside to you, if you are the customer of one of these particular types of devices. But they produce less pollution than they used to do because of emission control apparatus. And once again, that is choice B.